Hey Stella, can I have a kiss? That seemed really long. Oh my gosh! Did you see that? She like jumped and gave me a kiss. What the fuck?
The saying, love can be expressed through the eyes, has been proven in this very moment. God couldn't always be with us in difficult times, so He created these four-legged creatures. When your dog is truly a clingy companion, you can't help but love them even more, because they always want to be by your side everywhere and all the time. When mom can't sleep, the gentleness of the furry little nurse is the perfect remedy for her soul. Humans seem to have found a way to communicate with dogs, and their responses prove that they truly understand and follow. Dogs don't care whether you're rich or poor. They only know that they will always be by your side, your most loyal friend. Imagine coming home and being greeted with such warmth. That feeling alone can melt away all the worries in your soul. Imagine coming home and being welcomed in such a warm atmosphere. That feeling can wash away all the worries from your soul. Every heart longs for attention from loved ones, and that's why we can't stop loving dogs. A sign of a good neighborhood is when your neighbors and your dog share a special bond. Someone is taking their guard duty very seriously, even at 3 a.m.
Vamos passear, meu amiguinho. Vamos passear, meu amiguinho. Vamos passear, meu amiguinho. Vamos passear, meu amiguinho. Vamos passear, meu amiguinho.
Is there anything sadder than turning on the green light for the one you like, but she chooses not to understand? Just like my dog, it always craves affection, no matter who it comes from.
Who's a good boy? I'm gonna take a picture of you, okay, boy? Let me take a picture of you, boy. Okay, take a picture. Not that one. That one's too big. Yes, that's a good picture. I'm sorry I don't got a seat or something, okay? Okay, good one.
This girl knows she's small and adorable, but she also understands that she deserves all the love and attention in the world.
Pretending to cry in front of my corgis.
When he shows up late, yet still acts like he's the center of the universe. No one ever told the dog, but he just knew. He had to protect his person, no matter the cost. If you don't drown before he comes to save you, you just might drown in the way he tries to. The dog wasn't simply swimming, it was swimming toward its best friend with all the love it had. When you want to hold on to someone, even though you know their heart no longer belongs to you. This child is the perfect piece in his family's picture of happiness.
Sitting in the basement apartment.
There's nothing that brings your dog more joy than knowing it truly belongs, as a cherished part of the family.
Taylor, I've had it with you. I'm done with it.
Ow. Okay, sorry. It's all good. Sorry.
Good girl.
I won't do it again.
The journey to losing weight becomes so much easier when you have a companion like this. The silent weight carried by a wife each time her husband returns home, drunk and distant. Turning everything into a comedy show and bringing smiles to the family. That's just part of a dog's job. There's no mistaking it. This is definitely a father-son connection. When you're with the one you love, the smiles come naturally, and the happiness in your heart is impossible to hide. Though we can't return to our youth, the pure love between a human and their pet is something eternal.
Okay, little Minnie. Oh, you wanna play? I'll get him. 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 Oh, I'll get him. I'll get him.
Pretend to cry in front of your dog and see their reaction.
The affection you received is truly priceless. You know you've hit the jackpot when the dog reacts to your tears like this. These dogs try to pull their mom out of the deep water as if they're saying, "This place is too dangerous. Don't stay here any longer." Having this little friend drop by, even just for a moment, is enough to make tough workdays feel a bit lighter.
Good girl, come here. Come here.
Sometimes I respect their boundaries, but other times I remember how they didn't respect mine. The dog wants them to know that they are her one and only parents. That's right, these pets are truly members of the family. Guys, look! This dog is experiencing pure joy just from being reunited with his dad.
One more kisses.
Come on, Chowder. Come on.
He's gonna get hurt now.
Who is she? That fucking...
Despite their large size, dogs are really just big kids at heart. Dogs have many different love languages, and every way they show affection is special and meaningful. Enjoy your day with them, because every moment spent with a dog is a wonderful gift. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.